Hi guys! This is my mom. Say hi, Mom. Everybody knows my mom.
Hi.
This is Tiffany.
Hi.
This is my daughter, Alyssa. We are going bridal dress shopping today. My other bridesmaid is on her way, so we're gonna go inside and kind of get warm because it's January and it's like 30 degrees and we're freezing. But yeah, this is number one stop on our bridal dress shopping today. Alright, we just got into our room. We're still waiting on Megan. Have some chairs. And then all the gorgeous dresses are out there. See how many I try on today. Alright, we're all decked out. I'll insert a picture here. We're all in our bride squad and bride-to-be little cute things that we found at Hobby Lobby the other day. Megan made it. Say hi, Meg.
Hi.
This is my other bridesmaid. And Mom was able to get the wine or the champagne open. We're going to have some mimosas and then we're going to try some dresses on.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 virgin. So we need one more glass, is that right?
For Alyssa. So we're gonna have mimosas. Alyssa's gonna have orange juice.
You ready?
Oh, do you want?
Oh,
That's beautiful. Oh my gosh,
wow.
your body is amazing.
Well, she clipped it to me.
It doesn't matter. I love the train.
I know, it's so...
How do you? What's the back look like?
Yeah, so we can clip it in the front so you can see the back as well.
The leaves and the vines.
I love the sparkles in it when she moves and
Yeah.
you can see it.
Oh, I do too.
And this one you can almost do whatever with your hair.
So, are you not gonna let Brian see
No, he
the dress at all?
He said...
There's no other
Okay,
word.
so here's the first dress.
No other word
It is
for it.
gorgeous. It's just the look and kind of feel I want. But I gave the girls chalkboards so they get to write what their opinion of the dress is. I'm gonna turn around on them.
Oh,
All right, Mom says love. Meg says love. Tiffany says yes. Alyssa says pretty. This is a lot. This is a lot of dress.
Is it heavy?
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah,
It's
it looks
got a lot
heavy.
of beading on it.
It's beautiful.
I like the neckline though.
Yeah, I like it. I like how it like flares on the neck right there at the bottom. And I love the laced edges.
You like a train?
Here are bridesmaids' dresses. This is the dress in the middle that I loved, the wedding dress. So they're all comparing over here what color they like. So this is a purpley color. This is a champagne color. This one's a little more pink. And this one, oh yeah, that one was like latte. This is the champagne color. All right, girls. Which one do you like better? What color do you like better?
I like the champagne one.
The champagne one?
Champagne's really pretty.
The one on the end?
I like the pink too.
And the latte and that one.
Yeah, that one's really pretty too.
See, those two go together and these two go
They
together.
do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
What do you think, Tiffany?
I like the champagne.
You like the champagne, the real light one?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Right next to the dress.
That's pretty, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So,
And that matches
He's really
the dress.
liking this
the
one.
wedding
It does. Absolutely.
well, and I want the champagne and wine kind of theme, so that would make sense. All right, we're headed over to the second bridal shop. I found one that I really love, but the train is really long on it, and I'm really not wanting a really long train. So we're to a new bridal shop a couple towns over. I'm gonna go in here and see what they have. Is this the dress? I think I found my dress. Which you guys will have to wait and see till the wedding videos come out to see which one I chose.
Well, hello, my little granddaughter's here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm trying to get your reaction, okay?
Go that way.
Oh,
Dad, you're supposed to go back.
you're supposed to follow me.
Oh. What am I looking at? Ooh, look at that.
Yeah?
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah? I
Yeah.
think this is the dress.
You think it is?
Yeah, oh, I know it's the dress.
You know it is.
I know it is.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Heck
They
yeah.
have me all strapped up in the back, but the back is really pretty too.
That's nice.
Hi, Sue. Hi, Auntie. What do you think?
You got a pin sticking. I think it's not going to be very comfortable.
She's gonna fix me
all up.
How you all doing?
Hi.
Long time no see.
12 and she needs a 4.
That tells you how much extra is there.
All right, so I can't show you the dress because I'm in the dress. This is Kim. Hi. She helped me pick my wedding dress.
She's a beautiful bride and pleasure to work with. I'm so happy she found her dress here at Blush Bridal and Tuxedo.
Thank you. Now I have to go get out of the dress, which I don't want to do. But I found a pretty veil, and I think that's going to happen too. So that's the end. Found the dress. Mission accomplished.